guys, this is Vivia, your old friend. Welcome to Haidong. Today I'd like to tell you some knowledge about tires and how to assemble wheels. As we all know, the wheel is a vital part of the bicycle, which largely determines the performance of the bicycle and the rider's experience. Bicycle wheels are divided into road and race bicycle wheels, mountain bicycle wheels, and BMX wheels. Bicycle tires are divided into tube tire, tubeless tire, tubular tire, non-pneumatic tires, polyurethane tires, and solid tires, and so on. Among them, sport bicycle usually use tube tires, tubeless tires, and tubular tires. According to the shape, it's divided into thin tires and fat tires. Common bicycle tire brands are Michelin, CTAs, Kenda, Bridgestone, Marquis, Continental, Topic, WTB, and so on. Today, we will use Kenda tires to show how to assemble wheels. Let's go. Here are all the accessories we need to assemble a wheel. Spokes, flywheel, hump, brakes disc, screws, tire cushion, rim, inner tire, and outer tire. And this one is a motor. First, we have to assemble hump and spokes. This one is a basic hump. This one is a hump with motor. It's really heavy. But today we'll use this one to show how to assemble a wheel.
Insert the spokes into the humps respectively. Most bicycle wheel spokes are multiples of 4. 36 spokes are generally used to 26 or 24-inch wheels. Okay, done. Next, install the spokes on the rim. Then, use a screwdriver to tighten the screws.
Now the rim has been complicated. Next, we have to put a close on it. What we use is Kenda tire, which are puncture resistance, wheel resistance, and can also adapt different complex ground.
First, put the tire cushion on the rim. This is to protect the tire from being scratched by these screws. Then, install the tire on the rim. Okay, finish. Next, we have to inflate the tire. Okay, finish. This is a reflective strip. Compared with a traditional reflector, it looks nicer and it's not easy to fall off.
The one we assembled today is a fat tire. Now let's measure its size. The diameter is about 70 centimeters. The width is about 10 centimeters. In the beginning, we mentioned that there are thin tires and fat tires. The difference between them is the resistance of the thin tires is relatively small, which is suitable for riding on the road in good condition, such as road bikes. Fat tires, such as off-road bikes with a better grip lever, which is suitable for riding on vigorous, complicated roads. I think you have a better understanding of tires and wheels. If you have any questions, please leave us a message. You can also follow our YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn to get more interesting and practical knowledge. Thank you so much for your watching. See you next time!